Team members go hand in hand with your workspaces. Think of clients and giving access to those clients to the different workspaces. Let's choose this one over here. And then I'll go to team members, and by default, you as the owner will be added as a team member. Add new team members and assign roles, whether they are viewers, editors, designers, or managers. You as the owner will always have the authoritative control over the account. Managers will have control over the dashboard area. They can create new projects and do everything within the builders. Designers can do everything within the builders for a project, but they have no access to this dashboard. Editors can change content such as images and text, and viewers can only view what has been created. Add the email address of the team member you want to invite and select the role and send.